Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see in front of you, it's a very cool looking card art. Just for card art I paid huge amount, guys. This is the Johnny Lightning pop culture, and see the John Wick, how they have printed over it. It looks so awesome, very good, and feels so real. This is a 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. This is the release one. So release one in the sense, you can see the back here, 2024 release one. This is the pop culture series, and as you can see there are some 5 other cars in it. Chevy Suburban 1969, Dodge Charger, Daytona 1966, Pontiac. Then we have this one, 19 Chevrolet SS. We'll get in the back, but let's see first the card art, right? See the John Wick, how it's looking. This is in very limited amount they make, guys, and I've never seen anyone in the YouTube having and holding this car in their hand and unboxing it. So it is released in 2024, that's why I got my hands on it. And you can see over here, diecast metal body and chassis, authentic movie replica, that is important. And we'll see the car afterwards, because it is detailed, but I just want to let you know what the car is about, right? So there are some facts that they have put in over here, and if you're able to read, let me zoom in. Though briefly used in the first John Wick movie, this forest green 1970 Chevrolet almost appears back black in the demi light scene. So if you see in the movie, right, it looks like a black color only, but it's not, because the scenes that they have shot, right, so they are very in demi nature. And the second point they have mentioned over here, like there were reportedly 3 different Chevrolets used in the filming. Okay, there is a beauty car for stationary scenes, a driving scene, and a car, and the stunt car. There are 3 cars they have used. So this is the very trivia, or you can say a facts that about this car. And you can see this is for 6 plus age only. So this is a collectible model, guys, if you ask me, right? Now we will go into the minor detail of the car. You can see it's written, what is it? I think it's something written on the tire. I'm not going to unbox it, but we'll see from here only. I'm not able to read it properly. Godrion, SF Godrion something. Okay, very cool, very cool forest green color, guys. And the tires are made of rubber, as you can see. These are made of rubber. There are stripes that are going on, very glittery forest green color. The interior also they have made like that only, metal and green color. The good looking part of this is the back. You can see the detailing of the tail lights, SS written over there, a number plate. The stripes goes all along from here to there to the front also we are having a nice detail. You can see the SS over there, then the headlights and all. It looks awesome. There is one number plate over here also, 3719. Interior is of metal only, but they have used the same color as they have given to the body. And the hood is also nice. Hood is better actually. And the car is good. The car is good, right? The car is good. But the main part of this thing is this card art. For that only I bought this, guys. Very awesome, very good looking. Now let's see the bottom. Bottom also something written. We are not able to read it. Johnny Lightning made in China and all those things. Yeah, now we will get in the back also. It's very good. You can see they have some license. John Lightning, Ford, GM official, Toyota, Dodge, Petty, Goodyear. Right, I think these tires are for Goodyear or what, I'm not sure, but yeah, it looks very good. This is there from 2023 release, but this is our 2024 release. So yeah, very awesome card art, very awesome car, guys. And if you are a John Wick fan, you know what I'm saying. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking, and bye bye.